Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my first time at this location of this Burlington, and when I walked in I was like, oh my goodness, this place is gigantic. So I'm going to walk through and show you guys what I see. Okay, first off, this is cute. $28.99 for this Nautica backpack. I like that. What is that, Madden Girl? There's a Puma. More Madden, Steve Madden, I mean. They have a lot of black stuff over here. But yeah, so let's just walk around. They have some cute cosmetic bags. This one is $9.99. Juicy Couture, Nautica, $8.99. This one has these cute little macaroons all over it. Tartan twine. Cute little lobsters. More Nautica. Oh, looking perfect. And it got ears on it. This is $7.99. Lash Out. I like that. Look at this one. I may not be perfect, but my makeup is. These are $6.99. Okay, they have some really pretty brushes by BB. Look at that. This is Contour Fever. It says bamboo design. I've never seen these before. They are $12.99. They still have this beautifully blended 4-piece brush collection by e.l.f. And this is only $4.99. That's not bad. $4.99. Lots of brushes over here. Rose Quartz edition for $12.99. Okay, I didn't see too much in their makeup. This is the only thing that I see that's really high end, and that's MAC, the Risk Taker. But I remember seeing this at Marshall's. It's $16.99 here. Can't remember how much it was there. They have a lot of BB. Oh, there's a Smashbox, Cover Shop Prism eye palette, and this is $12.99. So really those were the only two higher ends that I see. Tahari Matte Liquid Kit. Yeah. Okay, they have some pretty necklaces. This is by Romeo and Juliet Couture. Look at that. That's really nice. $9.99 for that. They have a bunch of different stuff, but they always have really nice jewelry. Look at those. Okay, over here you got the animal print by Sophia and Kate. Look at that one. That's really nice. How much is that? $7.99. I like that burgundy. Wow, these are like a lot, but they're pretty. Okay, I like these too. They're like beaded, and those also come in red and yellow. Oh, these are nice. Look at these. Those are really pretty for $4.99. And then these little pineapples. Okay, you guys, so I am just walking around trying to get used to my new environment. And like I said, this Burlington is extremely big. Look behind me. It's like really big. There's even two sections of purses, because now I'm next to the purses again and the shoes. The one by my old house was 2 levels. This one is not 2 levels, but I mean, it makes up in square footage because it's gigantic. But yeah, so we're just gonna walk around in here some more and see what else we can find over in these shoes. These are by 7. I really came to look at the decor, like the furniture and stuff. I'm looking for some faux plants. And lately I've been finding them, but I was just at Marshall's yesterday and they were super expensive. $34.99 for these Pumas. Those are cute. Classic white. Yeah, but they were super expensive, and I was like, oh no, I cannot spend $100 on one faux plant. CK. So I'm not going to spend too much time in the shoes. Most of these I think we seen on my last walkthrough. I like the Sauconys on my last walkthrough, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time over here. These are $24. Okay, they still have the Steve Maddens, which I'm so surprised they were in Burlington so quick after they launched. But yeah, I like that color combination. Uh-oh, how much were they? $49. Okay, so there was probably about 50 racks of shoes. I'm passing them up now. I'm into the kid shoes. Oh, those are house shoes with the little daisies on. Oh, these are cute. But yeah, so I'm actually walking around trying. Oh, I love me a cute little jelly. Oh, $5.99. Those are so adorable on little girls' feet. I love those. But yeah, I'm walking around looking for the Decor. Look at this. It's probably way on that side of the store. This is like a giant warehouse. Oh my gosh. This is furniture. No, I mean luggage. And that's baby stuff down there. So I'm gonna go down this row and try to find some stuff. Oh, this is cute. That is a dress with the little separate sleeves on the side. I like that. I don't see a price on it. Oh, I like that too. This one is $9.99. It has the beaded neckline. Okay, so now that we're over here, I'm gonna start at the end and make my way down and see what we can find. Cafe coffee. This is $9.99. They got a bunch of pictures. I don't do fashion, I am fashion. Coco Chanel. That is $24.99. They have some cute pillows. Never grow up. What does this one say? Farmers Market. Oh, that's cute. Country Fresh. Wake up and be fabulous. Okay, here's a set of accent pillows by Nanette Lepore. That blue is really pretty. They have different styles. You have the bigger flowers or the smaller ones, and then you have the denim and the blue and white checkered down there. This is nice for $11.99. Let's see, got the solid yellow or gold and the oranges down there. Those will be perfect for like fall. Oh, look at this with all the ruffles on it for $12.99. Ooh, that's a lot. This one with the hand beading on it, $12.99. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. It's real glam. This looks like something that would be in Home Goods. $14.99 by Catherine Malandrino. Is it Malandrino? And they even have it in gold. Oh, look at these. Like speckled with silver. And this one that looks like a sweater. I like that one too. For $16.99. Oh, and that one is cute too. It says Farmers Market, locally grown. Totally skipped over this pillow. It says 30 days till I do. And this is for like if you're getting married. How cute is that? And then you got the rings. Day one. There's even little pockets. Not sure what you want to put in these pockets. But how cute is that? And it's on clearance for $7.99. Here's some more pictures. That one is really nice. Wake, Pray, Slay. How much is that one? That one is $19.99. Faith Moves Mountains. Faith it till you make it. And too glam to give a damn. Okay. Here's some more pretty pillows over here. Loving this orange with this brown stitching or the cream color stitching, and this one with the birds on it. And then you got these over here that say certain things like Mr. and Ms., family, and blessed. Here's some wall units like shelves. I didn't see a price on them, but those are really nice. You got these little end tables down here, like this one. I don't want to lift it up for the price though. Some little stools. Oh, look at this one with the leopard. I thought it was storage. Maybe it is. I don't know. I think that's storage, but it's too heavy for me to open with one hand. Lots of little ottomans. I like that blue one right there. And then you got these pretty like tables, or you know, like end tables or whatever. They got white, gray, and black, and they do have this mirror on top. I wish I could find a price for you guys. Oh look, there's even a mirror down the side of it. Okay, so I got the price on those, and those are $159. Here's some lamps. I like that silver one. That blue one is really catching my eye too. It's $29.99. You got this one with the pull switch for $39.99. Oh, and this white one over here is pretty. That one is $29.99, as well as this one and that one. Oh, look at that. That's pretty too. I like the detail on all of those. I don't know, which one would you get? I'm leaning more towards, my room is more like grays, whites, and cream colors. So technically I could do that one or this one. I don't know, I'll have to think about that. And then you have this cute little unicorn lamp for $19.99. Ooh, look at these office chairs. Look at that pink one. But this one is super cute with the little heart. And then they have the stools with either a heart or a flower. And here's some more footstools over here. They got a bunch of different ones. Really nice. Bar stools. Oh, this is cute. Okay, I thought it was gonna have like a drawer to pull open, but it doesn't. It's still cute, but it's not really functional. Not like I like. It would have been real nice with the drawer. These right here, $39.99 for the big one, and then they drop in size. The smaller one inside is $19.99. Ooh, this has all the bling on it. It looks blingy, but it's really sequins. $19.99. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, I might want to get these. Those are $34.99. And then these on the end are $29.99. And then right here you got the metal art. So mainly everything. Look at that giant crown down there. This one right here says coffee time. Is it metal? Yep, $9.99. And they have a few more things. Oh, look at these pins. Bows are a girl's best friend. These are so cute. And I'm not just saying that because they're gold. They're really pretty. $5.99. Are these by BB? Yep, I knew they were by BB. I like those. Makeup is my art. No, they do not have a JoJo Siwa picture. I am not like a boss. I am the boss, okay? Coffee mascara and hustle. I like that a lot. Coco made me do it. I think we saw that one before. I tend to lash out. And a lot of little pictures. Okay, let's see what their prices are for these. $9.99, not too bad. This one, flowers number 6. Those are pretty. $12.99 for the faux grass. Oh, look at this. This is $14.99 for the bigger one. Oh no, it wasn't bigger, it was just pushed together. Okay, but that would be pretty too. These ones kind of look like fall, and they're $14.99. Okay, how cool is this picture frame? Look at that. I don't know if these open up. I'm sure they do something. I think they might slide across like a barn door. But they have them. Oh wait, here's one. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, I like those. So you can leave them open or you can close them. That is so different. I really like that. And they have the black and like the natural wood. I don't know where the price is. It's probably on the back. Yeah, it's on the back. I can't mess with that. But that was really cute. Okay, here's some faux plants right here. This one is $34.99. I like the top part, but I don't like the bottom. I don't like that part. This is cute. It's like a cherry blossom tree, I think. I don't really care for that basket too much either, but I do like the way this part looks, and it's $34.99. Here's another one. This one looks a lot better. Okay, lots of flowers. This part right here, it reminds me of being in Home Goods. This is pretty. $14.99. The little faux grass. $16.99 for that. And that's it for right here. Look at this. It's a 6-foot garland made in India with pumpkins. That's really pretty for $12.99. Pretty baskets down here. Look at that. These are only $12.99. And they're big too. And they have that in black or the red and the blue. Oh, these are pretty. They have the little twisted bottom part. Look at that. These are $19.99. And then they also have a smaller one right there. These right here. Oh, look at this. This would be so pretty somewhere. Okay, it's too heavy for me to see a price, but you have an area for 7 candles. That's nice. I love these. I have 2 of them at home. I don't need another one. Let's see, behind me we got all of this. You got some pretty mermaids. I like the tails on them. The Eiffel Towers. Oh, look at that giraffe. That's nice. And they even have an elephant. These are really nice. Definitely different. Look at this. Pink skies up ahead. This little container. Oh, that is so cute. That one, how much was that? It's only $3.99. You have this one with the little cat on it, or cats. What else did I just see? I glanced over here. Look at this salt and pepper shaker. It's not in the containers, but those are cute. You got cats, Buddha, and unicorns. And this is going to be the last row as far as like the home decor. I pretty much picked through most of what I saw. These are kind of cool. $29.99. These would be nice to go like in a little space for you to have storage. You have 5 little bins that pull out, and it's a metal rack. Not bad. Actually, I'm looking for one of these, but I want it to be white. And I wanted it on the wheels. The ones I keep finding don't have wheels. This one does, but I don't want gold or silver. Okay, you guys, that is going to be it. That basket up there says resting laundry face. Okay, you guys, that's going to be it for this Burlington. I hope you guys enjoyed. What did I say? Resting brunch face, okay? I need to be resting my face right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will talk to you soon in another video. That is beautiful by Nanette Lepore. It's a mirror, and the sides have the mirror on it as well for $79.99. Okay, bye you guys.